Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we need to change this one that is about the side. Next, we divide both sides by y to the power of 3. Next, we have negative 1 over y squared and dy over y to the power of 3 dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to negative 1 over y squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have number 2 over y to the power of 3 dy over dx. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by v. This one we change by this one. So this one I will put on the right. Now we divide both sides by s over 2. So we have v, and first derivative of v, that is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that positive number 2 over s next to v. This is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of number 2 f and s. Later that number 2 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have s squared. That means we multiply both sides by s squared in here. So this one we have 2s. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vs squared. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus lnx. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to the x over x. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 1 over x from here. dv, that is about x squared dx. The integration of this one, we have v equals to x to the power of 3 over 3. So we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we have 1 over 3. And now we have the integration. So x to the power of 3 divided by x, we have x squared. The integration of x squared, we have x to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.